The Super Cub LP / LED edition. And I put some blue tail lights on it so I know which way it's facing. And everything else seems to be alright. So we'll see what happens here. Decent CG. This is really only one way to find out, huh? Never had a bad launch with this aircraft. Super Cub LP LED Night Stalker Edition. It's a lot of fun at night, I'll tell you that much. And you do get so much better skies, no people stopping by to bother you. It's really cool. And fly times, I mean, forget it. I'm getting maybe 22 minutes maybe. Well guys, that concludes another flight with the Super Cub LP Night Stalker LED edition and the backlit DX6 and what's up guys, Hobby Zone Champ, new camera mount, keychain camera, that belly mounted, forward facing, about 35-degree angle. We're going to see how she flies.